Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 7, and let me show you how to activate magnification gestures on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select additional settings. Here you have to go to accessibility and then pick magnification. Smoothly by tapping on magnify with triple tap, you can activate magnification with triple tap. So activate it here, and now triple tap will zoom in the content. You can obviously switch it off and pick magnify with button. So here, when magnification is turned on, you can use this accessibility button to quickly zoom it in. And then you can switch it off the same way. So I will leave the first option, and for example, here you can zoom in the device's content. And then with triple tap, you can zoom it off. So that will be all. This is how you can activate magnification gestures in your device, how you can magnify things in your Xiaomi Redmi 7. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.